See, we're back.
I think it only does like a 5-minute video or something. That definitely wasn't 5 minutes.
Oh, it wasn't.
Laying on your pillow.
It's my pillow.
Don't bite the pillow.
Don't bite the pillow.
Kick the baby.
Don't kick the baby.
It's Ike too that says that.
Mhm.
Makes it even better.
Kick the baby.
Don't kick the baby. Every time you put your arm up, look, it gets really dark back here. And then, amen. Right again. Actually, I might have hit this button right here because that shuts it off too.
Oh shit.
You're cute.
Here we are, cute.
I'm gonna watch this video too. And be like, "Aw."
Oh. Where's the camera?
Right here.
Ah, it's a bright light.
Yeah, right next to the bright light.
I heard. Yeah, I'm seeing dots. Nope. No what? Aw, what a bad part to put it on TV for.
Kick the baby. Don't kick the baby.
We're pretty comfy.
Mhm.
This is my hole
Yeah.
where I sleep.
Sometimes.
When Christian kicks me off the bed, that's my pillow.
No.
Powerade
I
bottle.
never kick you off the bed. You roll over there all the time. Man muscles. You see my biceps when I was trying to get that shit off?
No. Your collarbones look pretty hot.
Ew. I hate my
I
collar.
like your hair.
It
Oh.
looks awful. Because it's
Ew.
everywhere. It's just not straight.
I like her everywhere hair.
That makes one of us. Are you kissing me?